Hello everyone, welcome to the moomoo trading platform tutorial. My name is Martin and I do run a YouTube channel by the name of Stock Martin where I do all my tradings and all my stock research using the moomoo trading platform. It's one of the best, easiest, and user-friendly platforms that I have come across, and now I will teach you how to do an easy guide tutorial. We are going to be talking about the basic settings and the basic operations when using this moomoo trading platform on your computer. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get started, you need to open up your moomoo account and select a stock. You can view the candlestick time frames by up on the top clicking on 1M for 1 minute, 1D for 1 day, 1W for 1 week, 1M for 1 month, and so on. Now, how can we know what a stock's price and turnover by corresponding time is? Move the cursor anywhere on the chart to view. You can also hide the cross curve via the display, cross curve, and shut. If you want to know the current stock price, then click on the current price line. You can also click on the position cost line to view your position cost as well. Now, setting a price reminder is extremely helpful, especially if you don't have that time to spare on reading the tape. Now, when the price reaches that target price, you will get an automatic pop-up that will remind you and help you avoid missing any investment opportunities. To set up a price reminder is very easy. First, right-click a blank space in the chart and click on Set Alert. Then click the Create Alert button. After setting the type and frequency, you will have a pop-up reminder when the price reaches the level you set. You can also drag the price reminder line to change the trigger price. Now, apart from the basic settings, maybe investors who prefer technical analysis would like to know some more information about technical indicators. Let's take the Bollinger Band as an example. Click on BOLL for Bollinger Bands at the bottom of the chart to view. Bollinger Bands can be very helpful to identify when a stock price is overpriced, which could be a signal to buy. You can combine it with other analytical tools such as the KDJ and the RSI to analyze. Moomoo provides an incredible amount of 63 technical advanced indicators. You can combine these multiple indicators to analyze a stock price more accurately. If you do not want to view these indicators, click again. If you wish to adjust or delete some of the indicators, you can just click on the indicator management at the bottom right corner. Click the minus button to hide the indicator, click the plus button, and the indicator will be displayed. Technical analysis are extremely helpful, and so are the line drawing tools on the moomoo application. You can identify trends on the candlestick patterns, including support and resistance levels, ascending and descending trend lines, and general direction trends, which can facilitate decision making. So where are Moomoo's line drawing tools? You can see the line drawing tools in the toolbar above the chart. Moomoo provides 38 intelligence tools that can make the line drawing needs of many investors, such as line segments, graphs, shapes, and arrows. Now let's draw a parallel line to demonstrate. First, draw the timeline to the select period. Then select the parallel line in the toolbar, anchor 2 points, and the points will automatically attach to the candlestick, which is very handy. After anchoring another point, the parallel line is completed. Generally, it may be a buy signal if the stock price breaks above the parallel line in an upward trend. Besides the parallel line, Moomoo also provides another advanced line drawing tool, such as the golden section, which may be helpful to identify support and resistance levels. Since a period and anchor the highest and lowest points, then a golden section line is drawn. Each line has its corresponding toolbar. You can customize the color and width. You can also lock and unlock or delete it. It's convenient for investors to track the trend of a stock as the lines are drawn on the computer will also be saved on your mobile device. As you can see, the moomoo application offers enormous amount of technical analysis charts and drawing tools to help your trading to be more successful. I use the trading platform to its full potential, and I hope that these easy to use guidelines did help you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.